Welcome back to MK Auto Drive, the channel where power, precision, engineering, and extreme machines come alive. Today we take you deep inside one of the most iconic and battle-tested machines ever created, updated for the modern battlefield, smarter, stronger, and deadlier than ever. This is the 2026 M1A1 Abrams tank, a legendary beast reborn with advanced firepower, upgraded protection, next-generation mobility, and combat systems built to dominate future warfare. Sit tight, because what you are about to hear will completely reshape the way you look at modern armored warfare. The 2026 M1A1 Abrams takes the core DNA of the original battle tank and transforms it into a refined war machine with digital systems and battlefield intelligence that earlier generations could only imagine. The first and most dominant piece of this machine is its main gun. The 120mm smoothbore cannon has been optimized with stabilized firing, improved thermal sleeves, and updated ammunition compatibility. This allows the tank to fire a larger variety of next-generation rounds with more accuracy and destructive force. Whether it is high-velocity kinetic penetrators, programmable multi-purpose rounds, or anti-armor sabot ammunition, the gun delivers incredible punch at long distances, even on the move, even under hostile weather, and even with extreme battlefield vibration. Supporting the main cannon is a fully integrated secondary weapon suite, including the 7.62mm coaxial machine gun and a roof-mounted heavy machine gun for countering drones, infantry, and light armored vehicles. The weapon stabilization has been refined for 2026, meaning the turret rotation and gun elevation remain steady even when the tank is moving across rough desert terrain, muddy battlegrounds, or rubble-covered urban zones. This ensures that the commander and gunner can always maintain target lock with surgical precision. Fire control is where the 2026 M1A1 Abrams truly steps into the future. The updated digital fire control system uses advanced thermal imaging, laser range finding, wind correction, and predictive targeting. This allows the tank crew to automatically calculate firing solutions with blazing speed. When scanning the battlefield, the commander can identify heat signatures miles away with new generation infrared sensors that cut through fog, darkness, smoke, and environmental clutter. Combined with the panoramic commander's sight and stabilized gunner primary sight, the Abrams becomes a hunter, detecting threats before being detected itself. Communication is also a major upgrade for 2026. The tank integrates encrypted battle networks, real-time tactical data sharing, and secure long-range communication links. This allows Abrams units to operate like a connected swarm, sharing enemy positions, friendly locations, drone sensor feeds, and mission updates instantly. This kind of digital battlefield intelligence dramatically increases situational awareness, reduces reaction time, and ensures coordinated firepower across different units. One of the biggest improvements in the 2026 model is its defensive protection. Abrams tanks are known for their armor, and this version pushes survivability to the next level with composite armor layers, spaced armor, and integrated explosive reactive armor. The hull and turret are engineered to resist kinetic penetrators, shaped charges, IED blasts, and high-explosive anti-tank weapons. Additional protection modules can be attached based on mission requirements, allowing the Abrams to adapt for desert, urban, or forest environments. On top of physical armor, the 2026 M1A1 Abrams includes an active protection system that detects and neutralizes incoming enemy missiles and rockets. This electronic defense layer scans for threats using radar and optical sensors, then fires countermeasures to intercept or deflect them before impact. This makes the Abrams extremely difficult to defeat in direct engagements. The tank also features laser warning receivers, smoke grenade launchers, and signature reduction technology that helps reduce infrared and radar visibility. Mobility is another area where Abrams tanks dominate. The 2026 variant continues to use the gas turbine engine that delivers a high power-to-weight ratio and instant acceleration. This provides the tank with exceptional speed for its size, especially across open terrain. The engine has been improved for fuel efficiency and thermal management, reducing heat signature and making long missions more sustainable. The automatic transmission and advanced suspension system allow the tank to cross rough landscapes, climb steep inclines, and maneuver through tight combat areas without losing stability or traction. The tracks have been strengthened with new composite materials, offering better durability and less vibration during high-speed movement. This not only increases crew comfort but also improves firing accuracy while on the move. Whether the tank is charging forward at top speed or executing a tactical reverse maneuver, the mobility upgrades make it more responsive, agile, and dependable. Stepping inside the tank, the crew compartment has been modernized with digital dashboards, improved ergonomics, and enhanced communication interfaces. Crew members have better visibility, more intuitive controls, and improved safety systems. The driver benefits from upgraded night vision, wider field cameras, and terrain mapping assistance. The commander and gunner have multi-display interfaces that deliver tank diagnostics, threat detection data, ammunition status, and navigation cues in real time. The 2026 M1A1 Abrams also integrates drone interaction capabilities. The tank can work with overhead reconnaissance drones for spotting enemy armor, guiding long-range shots, or monitoring ambush zones. This coordination between tank and drone transforms the Abrams into a hybrid ground-air combat platform, giving commanders unmatched awareness of enemy movement and terrain obstacles. Another standout feature is the improved cooling and filtration system, allowing the tank to operate in extreme temperatures for long durations. Whether in freezing mountains, dense humid jungles, or blazing desert heat, the Abrams remains fully functional. The nuclear, biological, and chemical protection system continues to shield the crew from hazardous environments, sealing the cabin and maintaining purified breathable air even during chemical attacks. The ammunition storage has been redesigned with blowout panels that greatly increase crew survival in the event of an internal detonation. This engineering layout isolates ammunition from the crew and directs explosive force upward and away from the human compartment. Safety is further enhanced with fire suppression systems that automatically activate in critical areas. All of these improvements make the 2026 M1A1 Abrams a battlefield beast capable of adapting to modern threats like drones, loitering munitions, precision artillery, and advanced anti-tank missiles. Its combination of speed, armor, fire control precision, and digital connectivity ensures it remains one of the most lethal and respected main battle tanks in the world. The Abrams' legacy continues because the platform evolves. With every upgrade, it becomes a more intelligent, resilient, and formidable machine. The 2026 version represents decades of engineering refinement and real-world combat lessons. It is built to command the modern battlefield, protect its crew, and deliver overwhelming firepower whenever required. As we wrap up this deep dive into the 2026 M1A1 Abrams, we hope you enjoyed this powerful journey into the heart of a legend redesigned for the future. If you love extreme machines, unstoppable tanks, and advanced military engineering, then you are in the right place. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it with your friends, and join the MK Auto Drive family for more powerful videos coming soon.